In this video, we will walk you through some basic info, transportation, weather, top sites, and finish off with some financials so you know how much to budget. Freiburg, im Breisgau, is the fourth largest city in the German state of Baden-Württemberg. It is famous for its beautiful medieval architecture, vibrant university life, and its commitment to being eco-friendly. The city is home to about 230,000 people, making it one of the larger cities in Germany. The main language spoken in Freiburg is Upper Rhenish Low Alemannic, a dialect of German. Most people in Freiburg have a very high level of English, so tourists should have no trouble getting around or asking for help. Let's have a look at some of the top sites and attractions in the city. Münsterplatz is a lively square in Freiburg im Breisgau, known for its impressive Gothic cathedral and bustling farmers markets that run from Monday to Saturday. Entry is free, so swing by during market days to soak up the vibrant local atmosphere. Freiburg Cathedral is a stunning Gothic church, with a famous square tower and beautiful stained glass, offering amazing views over the Black Forest. Climbing the tower means narrow stairs and loud bells, so visit at night for quieter views and check access on public holidays. Schwabentor is one of Freiburg's two remaining medieval city gates, featuring a striking mural and a small museum inside, making it a great spot for history lovers and photographers. There is no admission fee, but watch for trams when taking photos and use the pedestrian underpass for safety. Historisches Kaufhaus is a stunning 14th century landmark in Freiburg, with a vibrant red facade, gold details, and statues of Habsburg emperors, making it a highlight for history and architecture lovers. Located next to the cathedral in the Old Town, entry is often free unless there is a special event, so check ahead for open hours or event schedules. Martinstor is Freiburg's oldest city gate, dating back to the early 13th century, with a striking clock tower and beautiful medieval architecture. You can visit anytime for free, since it's a public monument right in the heart of the city. New Town Hall in Freiburg is a stunning historic building with Black Forest charm, intricate wood carvings, and a lively courtyard, making it a standout spot in the city. Entry is free, so swing by in the morning for the best atmosphere and easy exploring. Augustiner Museum is an art museum in a renovated monastery church in Freiburg, featuring stunning religious art from the Middle Ages to the 19th century, including Gothic statues and stained glass. Entry is €8 and your ticket also gets you into all Freiburg museums for the day, so try to visit during a live organ performance or special exhibition for an even richer experience. Planetarium Freiburg is a fun spot for all ages where you can enjoy fascinating shows about the stars and planets right next to the main train station. Tickets cost €9, and you can buy them online or at the office before your visit, so check the schedule for the best session. Archaologisches Museum Colombischlossle is a history museum in a beautiful red sandstone villa, featuring interactive exhibits and artifacts from the Stone Age to the Middle Ages, perfect for families and history fans. Entry is included with the Freiburg welcome card, and weekdays are usually quieter for visits. Museum Natur und Mensch is a modern natural history and cultural museum in central Freiburg, with interactive exhibits on animals, fossils, and world cultures that are great for families and kids. Entry costs €5, and if you visit the Augustiner Museum, you get in for free. Schlossberg is a scenic mountain in Freiburg, with forested trails, lookout points, and a tower offering stunning views over the city, perfect for hiking and nature lovers. Take the Schlossbergbahn from Stadtgarten if you want to skip the steep walk, and visit at sunset for the best views. Bring €1 coins for the telescopes. Bachle are narrow streams of water running along the main streets in Freiburg, adding a unique and lively charm to the market area where kids often play with boats. There is no admission fee, so visit during the day when the market is bustling to enjoy the full atmosphere. Naturerlebnispark Mundenhof is a huge nature park in Freiburg where you can see animals from all over the world and enjoy a historic farm, perfect for a family day out. Entry is free with donations welcome, but bring cash for parking and expect some construction at the entrance. Seepark is a huge city park in Freiburg with a clean lake, jogging paths, gardens, and loads of activities like swimming, boating, and mini golf, making it perfect for relaxing or having fun with friends and family. Entry is free, it is open all day and night year-round, and summer is the best time to enjoy everything. Plus, it is easy to reach by public transport. Freiburg im Breisgau is a great place to visit in the summer months when the average temperature is around 19 degrees Celsius. With plenty of sunshine and warm weather, it's perfect for exploring the city. Let's talk about accommodation prices in Freiburg im Breisgau. Whether you're looking for a budget stay or a luxurious experience, this charming city has you covered. For those on a budget, hotel prices start as low as €30, while the average hotel price is around €109. If you're considering a 3-star hotel, you can expect to pay approximately €110. For a bit more comfort, a 4-star hotel will cost you about €151, and if you're splurging on a 5-star experience, prepare to spend around €269. The best time to book your stay in Freiburg im Breisgau is during March, which is the cheapest month with average prices around €78. Conversely, May is the most expensive month, with average prices soaring to €186. To get the best deals, try booking your stay to start on a Monday, as it's the cheapest day, while Thursday tends to be the priciest. Typically, visitors stay for about 3 nights, so plan accordingly to make the most of your visit. Here is some information about what budget you will need. The local currency in Freiburg im Breisgau is the euro. The cost level in Freiburg is considered moderate. For common expenses, you can expect to pay about €3.5 for a coffee, €5 for a beer, €16 for a budget meal, and €60 for a mid-range meal. A public transport ticket costs around €2.7. For a solo traveler on a budget, you will need around €90 per day, while a couple will require about €144, and a family with 2 adults and 2 children will need approximately €248. If you prefer a mid-range budget, a solo traveler should plan for €224 per day, a couple will need €321, and a family will require €550. For a luxury experience, a solo traveler should budget for €529 per day, a couple will need €743, and a family should expect to spend €1,254. Strasbourg, Zurich, and Karlsruhe are all close to Freiburg and can be reached conveniently by car or public transit. Euro Airport Basel, Mulhouse Freiburg is the main gateway to the region, offering convenient access to Freiburg im Breisgau. From the train station, travelers can take a regional train or catch a tram to explore the city. Tickets are available at vending machines or online, and the transport departs frequently from designated platforms. Freiburg Hauptbahnhof provides excellent services, including assistance for travelers through its mobility service center and helpful staff in burgundy caps. The station connects to major train lines, making it easy to travel within Germany and beyond. Driving from nearby cities like Strasbourg, Zurich, or Karlsruhe to Freiburg takes between 1 and 2 hours. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and comment if you have any other good advice. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trip.